Hello students, welcome to video series of Mass Olympiad question. Now the question is root, under root and root 9 minus root 8. You need to solve this. For this we write it as, we know that root of 9 is 3 and we can write 8 as 4 to the 8. Now we can write 3 and uh, square root of 4 is 2 and this is 2 root 2. Now you need to find square root of 3 minus 2 root 2. Then you can see you can break this and can make a formula. We can write 3 as 2 plus 1 and minus 2 root 2. Okay, now you can see here we can write 2 as root 2 square and 1 as 1 square, and here minus 2 into root 2 and 1. You can see this is the formula of a minus b whole square. Okay, now this is the formula of root 2 minus 1 whole square, and now the root here is square and root, we can write it as root 2 minus 1. So that the answer of this is root 2 minus 1. Okay, now we are going to solve another question of Olympiad. This is also a simple question. X4 minus 16 equal to 0. You need to find value of x. You can see here, you can factorize x4 as x square power 2 minus 16 as 4 square equal to 0. Now the identity is a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. We can write it as x square plus 4 and x square minus 4 equal to 0. Now you know that the x square plus 4 we cannot split it again, but we can factorize it. X square minus, we can write 4 as 2 square equal to 0, and this is x square plus 4, and here again we write identity. A square minus b square is a plus b and a minus b, and it is x plus 2 and x minus 2 equal to 0. Now we can find the value. Then x, if x plus 2 equal to 0, the value of x is minus 2. If x minus 2 equal to 0, the value of x is 2. And third one is, if x square plus 4 equal to 0, we can write x square equal to minus 4 and x equal to here plus minus root minus 4, and you know that we can write root minus 4 as root 4 into root minus 1, and root 4 is 2 and root minus 1 we know that iota. So that there are four values because x raised to power 4 minus 16. So four values of x will be, sorry, x equal to, first value is 2, second is minus 2, four roots are there, and third is 2 iota and minus 2 iota. Thank you very much. Share this video, subscribe this channel, and share to your friend also. Thank you very much.